Hi there! Check out these Hisow Small Artificial Plants that bring charm without the hassle of real greenery. Each mini succulent comes in a handcrafted cement pot that looks like an artistic sculpture, perfect for adding style to any space. These faux plants are ideal for your office desk, bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom, giving your home a fresh, vibrant feel. They require no watering or sunlight, making them a low-maintenance option for busy lifestyles. The cute pots add a touch of personality, brightening your workspace or living area effortlessly. Whether you want to enhance your home office decor or add a splash of life to your kitchen, these artificial succulents fit beautifully. Enjoy the natural look and creative accents of these small, versatile plants anywhere you choose. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.